Dream, dream, dream. Dream transform into thoughts, and thoughts result in action. These words are said by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam that inspired me a lot. He worked hard to make India a developed nation and served till his last breath. A cordial welcome to all. I am Meenakshi Prabha, working as a secondary grade teacher in CM Primary School at Renganathapuram, Thuthukudi. I have completed my BLIT in the year 2019. I have 29 years of experience in this noble profession. I love singing. I am a positive person who has an enthusiastic outlook on life. I love my job and I get a great sense of achievement from seeing my students and develop, grow as individuals. If I can have positive impacts on their future, I feel I am doing my job well. Thuthukudi district is also called as Pearl City, Muthukulithurai, Sea Gateway of Tamil Nadu. The ancient town of Korkai has been a center for maritime trade and pearl fishery for more than 2000 years. The great freedom fighter Veerapandiya Kattabomman was born in Panchalamkuruchi. The memorial building of Kattabomman Kotai has paintings of Kattabomman and some paintings depicts his history. Tiruchendur Muruga temple is one of the six abode of Lord Muruga and it is situated near the Sea of Bay of Bengal. There are some places to visit, namely Harbour Beach, Roach Park, Tuticorin Port and Harbour, Manapadu, Tiruchendur, Ettayapuram Palace, Kattabomman Memorial Fort, Hare Island and Church Island, Vanathirupadi, Mayura Thotam. My school is my second home because it teaches me a lot of things every day. My school is one of the most popular schools in town and it is incredibly unique. I feel like I am contributing something to the community. It is truly a blessing to work in my school. We the teachers giving a lot of confidence and motivation to the students which they couldn't get anywhere else. Most importantly, it is the place where we recognize our students' uniqueness and individuality. Few students participated and won prizes at national level. We encourage the students to participate in various competitions and our students they have also won Young Scientist Award. March 2020 will forever be known in the education community as the month when almost all the world schools shut the doors. COVID-19 has created a lot of pressure and stress on students, teachers and parents. COVID-19 has shaken up families all over the world as children and parents stay confined to their home. Parents are finding it difficult to focus on different aspects of their child's development. As a profession, I hope we come out of this crisis stronger by collaborating and working together to overcome all the hurdles faced by COVID-19. An innovative Pathsala is the best platform for us to teach different lessons in an innovative way. We can able to know the series of innovative tools for primary teaching. This innovative education encourages us and students to explore, research and use all the tools to uncover something new. The thinking process that goes into it will help Students develop their creativity and problem solving skills. Our school is the role model for the student to achieve their desired goal by investing time and effort. On behalf of our management and teachers, I must mention deep sense of appreciation for Mr. Mahesh Balan for explanation of zero investment. Further, I am grateful to him for demonstrating the Bloom's taxonomy. Finally, I thank Sri Aurobindo Society and HDFC Bank for giving this wonderful platform. Thank you.